Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new Motorola Moto G47 has been officially announced, with a flagship resolution camera and an improved display. According to the latest available data, the new product has an updated design, a more powerful chip, improved battery life, and major upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Motorola has announced the Moto G47, alongside the Moto G37, Moto G37 Power, Moto G87, and a trio of Razr 70 series smartphones. Motorola has released the new Moto G47 smartphone, which succeeds the previous model, and features significant improvements in screen, cameras, and performance, while maintaining its positioning in the mid-price segment. The Motorola Moto G47 is powered by the Dimensity 6300 chipset, which is paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The smartphone announced with up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, expandable by up to 1TB via a microSD card. On the software side, it has received Android 16 with Hello UX. However, there's no word from Motorola on how many Android version upgrades and security updates the Moto G47 will receive. Anyway, moving on, the Motorola Moto G47 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD on the front panel, with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. The display also has a punch hole for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. Around the back, you get a squircle-shaped camera island, with 4 circles. One is for the flash, and the other 3 are for a 108-megapixel primary camera, 3x lossless zoom, a 2-megapixel macro-vision camera, and a 2-in-1 light sensor, which combines an ambient light sensor and a flicker detector. Keeping the lights on is a 5200 mAh battery capacity, with 20 watts wired, and 6 watts reverse wired charging. The rest of the Moto G47's highlights include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, high-res audio, wired only, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and NFC. The new Moto G47 also has an IP64 rating, water touch support, MyL STD 819H certification, and eSIM support. The Moto G47 is available in 3 colors: Pantone Impenetrable, Pantone Nautical Blue, and Pantone Fuchsia Red. It will be available across Europe, Meta, Asia Pacific and select global markets in the coming weeks, but its pricing is yet to be revealed. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.